This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Make a quick backup or export of the mailbox so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the messages that contain emoji by searching visually or using simple regex patterns in your client. Once done, switch the message view to plain text or raw source so you see Unicode code points. This exposes the characters you will remove. Make sure to work on a copy, because direct edits to live mail can break threading and headers. Now you perform the removal. Use your client or a mail editor that supports regex and target common emoji ranges, such as U plus 1F300U plus 1F6FF and U plus 2600U plus 26FF. This pattern removes pictographs and symbols. Execute a non-destructive find and replace to delete those code points and run it first on copies. Make sure to check both subject lines and body text, because finish by verifying the edited messages on desktop and mobile to confirm they display cleanly. Resend one test message if threading or formatting changed. To prevent recurrence, create server or client-side filters that either remove emoji on arrival or flag messages for manual review. If emoji still appear, troubleshoot encoding and normalization. Ensure UTF-8 charset is preserved and apply Unicode normalization, NFC, before stripping. If rendering persists, use a dedicated sanitizer tool to remove invisible variants and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.